Welcome to LeanBiome, a brand new weight loss solution designed to help you achieve your goals and change your life. Our cutting-edge technology and personalized approach have been carefully crafted to help you lose weight safely, sustainably, and healthily. At LeanBiome, we understand that every individual is unique, and our weight loss program is no exception. Our team of experts has developed a careful system that takes into account your individual needs, lifestyle, and medical history. This ensures that you receive the most effective and personalized weight loss solution. Our carefully formulated products are made from the finest, most natural ingredients, ensuring you get the best possible results while maintaining a healthy and delicious diet. With LeanBiome, you can expect improvements in your weight loss journey, your energy levels, and your overall well-being. LeanBiome is not just about weight loss. We're all about changing your life for the better. Our supportive community and expert guidance are here to help you every step of the way and ensure you stay motivated and on track to achieve your goals. So if you are ready to start your weight loss journey with LeanBiome, visit our website and get started. We look forward to helping you achieve your new, healthy weight and the life you've always dreamed of.